All right, continuing from part one, video number one. Let's see if I got the second question right. Yep, I did. Cool. All right, I'm going to jump to a harder problem. Let me look at this problem real quick. Yeah, this would be a harder problem for sure. Um, so let me copy this problem. Now I'm going to paste it into my scratch paper. Okay. All right, step one, I need to find a number for m, and then step two, I find a number for b. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We always keep this minus sign and this minus sign right here. So let me do, here are my 2 points. Come on. Here are my 2 points. Sorry. 9 is x1, is my first x value. 2 is my first y value, so that's y1. 0 is my second x value, so that's x2. 1 is my second y value, so that's y2. So y2 we said is 1. y1 we said is 2. X2 we said is 0. X1 we said is 9. 1 minus 2 in your calculator is -1. -1. 0 minus 9 is -9. Okay. -1 divided by -9, that's the fraction can get a little bit simpler. And that is 1 over 9. And that's as simple as the fraction gets. So 1 over 9 is my slope. The reason why this problem is harder is that we're stuck with a fraction for our slope, which is going to make calculating b a little more work, but nothing we can't handle. So let's see. So we said that m is 1 over 9. I'm just going, you know what? M is 1 over 9. And now we just need to find a number for b. So let's go ahead and do that. I need to replace x with a number, and I need to replace y with a number. That way, I only have one variable, and then I can solve this equation for that variable. So, again, I need to find what b is, meaning I need to solve this equation for b, meaning if I need to replace x, and I need to replace y with a number. So, here's what I need to do. I need to use either 9 and 2 for my x and y value, or I need to use 0 and 1. It doesn't matter which x value, y value pair I pick. So I'm going to pick 9, 2. So 2 is my y value. 9 is my x value. So 2 equals 1 over 9 times 9 plus b. All right. So let's do some simplifying. That is going to be a little bit bigger. There. 2 on the left side of the equation. 2 equals 1 over 9 times 9. All right, when I multiply fractions, I just multiply straight. Oh, wait a second. That's right. Give me a second. Okay. I also have found for you guys, let's see, a fraction calculator. So that is in the description of assignment 5. So I'm going to go to that link. This says it's an adding fractions calculator. But it can also do multiplying with fractions. So I want 1 over 9 times 9. This is 9 over 1, of course. So I need to do 1 over 9 times 9 over 1. 1 over 9 times, that was Shift 8 on your keyboard. 1 over 9 times 9 over 1. Calculate it. And 1 over 9 times 9 over 1 is 1. Even shows you the step-by-step, which is nice, but anyway, final answer is 1. So I have 2 equals 1 over 9 times 9 over 1 is 1. Didn't want that. 1, then bring down plus b. Cool. Now, I need to do, let me see. Give me a second. Oh. Okay, I need to do, this is positive 1, so I need, well, let me say this. I need to get b on its own. So I need to get rid of positive 1 on this side. Opposite of positive 1 is negative 1. So subtract 1 on the right side. So I subtract 1 on the left side too. Let's see. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down the equal sign. 1 minus 1, nothing. So I'm not going to write anything. Bring down b. So I have 1 equals b. Cool. Highlight that because that's important. Okay. So I have a number for m, and I have a number for b. Great. So I am pretty much done. I just have to put those two numbers into my slope-intercept formula. We said that m is 1 over 9. We said b is 1. Let's see if IXL agrees. We said 1 over 9 is our m, and we said 1 is our b value. Submit. Thank God. All right, cool. That is it. This part 2 video is just for showing you a problem with you have a fraction to deal with. Basically, if you have a fraction to deal with, if you need to like add or subtract or multiply or divide with fractions, then this website can let you do a lot with that. Like here, 1 over 9 minus 9 over 1. That's negative 80 over 9. It even shows you the step-by-step if you really want, or you can just take that result and keep using it in your problem. But anyway, this website is very nice and convenient for doing operations with fractions. That's it. Good luck to you guys. Email or call me if you have questions.